I welcome you to Titanium Studio courses. My name is Navid Valizadeh and I am a senior weapon artist with 8 years of experience. In this fully narrated 7 hours course, we are gonna create a deer horn knife inspired by Dead Island 2 for games from scratch, covering every steps. We start by creating high poly model inside ZBRUSH and Blender, and then we make our low poly using TopoGun 3. Then we establish UVs using Blender. After that, we are gonna use Marmoset Toolbag for painting high poly to low poly model, creating believable realistic textures using Substance 3D Painter, and finally render using Marmoset Toolbag 4 and Blender Cycles and Eevee. If you wonder how to create a AAA quality game ready weapon, then this course is for you. So enroll now and take your skills to the next level.